Hey, Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. I want to show you a workflow that saves hours on long-form content repurposing. We are ditching timeline fights for genuine creative thinking. This approach feels like text-based editing, but with serious automation. You just import your interview and let the system find the best parts. It cleans up silences and fillers, publishing clips automatically across your platforms. I'll touch on other tools too, so you understand the difference here. Imagine you're staring down a 40-minute sit-down interview. You traditionally scrub, mark in, out points, cut dead air and assemble highlights. Then you add captions, exports, schedule posts. The list really goes on. That whole process is powerful, but it remains incredibly manual. Tools like Descript brought text-based editing to everyone, which is great for documentary style. But they aren't the fastest when your goal is pure volume and speed. We're talking lots of short clips needed fast. For regular posting cadence, they can get pricey. And honestly, the process still needs a ton of hand-holding. That is precisely where this new approach shines for high-volume repurposing. The big idea here is automating all the repetitive work for you. It finds viral moments, trims silences, batches exports, and even schedules posts. This frees you up to concentrate solely on storytelling and distribution strategy. So here is how I usually start working with this system. Step 1 is simply uploading your entire full-length piece of footage. The system immediately transcribes the entire clip for you automatically. Then it analyzes it for key engagement signals across the board. We are talking changes in energy, emotional peaks, and audience-friendly hooks. Within minutes, you receive a list of candidate clips ranked by potential virality. That initial AI sorting alone is a massive time saver for any creator. You are no longer manually hunting for that perfect soundbite. The artificial intelligence surfaces the high-probability moments directly for you. Once those candidate clips are surfaced, you preview them quickly. You then make the simple decision on which generated clips you want to keep. The system trims around your chosen segments really smartly every time. It removes any awkward lead-in silences or trailing gaps automatically. If you demand full control, you can still tweak the in and out points manually. But honestly, the auto trim is usually clean enough to publish straight away. Next up, I tell the system to strip out all those pesky filler words. You can bulk remove the whoop, ums, and you knows without disrupting flow. What used to take an hour of manual editing now takes maybe 5 minutes tops. Because the transcript is fully editable, you can correct names or jargon easily before captions go live. Speaking of transcripts, this handles the entire captioning process end to end. You generate captions in SRT, VT, or platform-specific formats with accurate timing. You can also export the transcript as a standalone document for blogging or show notes. Another honestly game-changing feature is the content calendar integration. Stop exporting a folder and manually scheduling posts across 5 different places. You set your desired posting frequency, and clips populate your content calendar. It then pushes them out according to your preset schedule without input. You can always review that calendar, tweak thumbnails, and approve everything. Maintaining a daily cadence without all that busy work is truly priceless for creators. Premiere Pro is king for fine-grained creative control, but it's overkill for batch clipping. Descript is text-first great, but costs add up quickly when pushing dozens of clips weekly. This system sits in the sweet spot, automation, where it saves time, with manual control when needed. For interviews, note timestamps or keywords while you are recording the source video. Vizard's transcript search is lightning fast, jumping you right to every mention of a phrase. That's perfect for compiling a quick best-of highlights reel on demand. I also love bulk tagging clips for consistent series production, like weekly hot takes. For podcasters, speaker separation and labeling makes extracting specific commentary simple. Quality control remains easy. Just preview every auto-generated clip one last time. If you have a team, collaborative tools let others review and comment before publishing. This workflow streamlines captions, trimming, thumbnail generation, and scheduling into one cohesive flow. Take one long interview right now and put this entire process to the test. If you want to scale your output without totally burning out, this is the way to go. Try it on your own content and see how many hours you immediately reclaim. Let me know in the comments if you want a deeper dive into the calendar hacks. I'll catch you all in the next video tutorial.